How to add music to Google Slides. In this video, I will just show you how you can add music to Google Slides in just few steps. So first of all, you have to open your Google Slide here. This is just a demo and example. So once you're here on the top menu bar, you will be able to see this option of insert. Once you see this option, by the way, you can add a song or video from YouTube or from Spotify too. So I will just go and insert, and basically I'm going to add this song here. So I will just copy the link, right? And once I copy the link, I will just go to the insert, and technically it's a video, right? It's not a audio. So if you want to add only audio, then you have to go to audio section here, and basically you have to enter the link, or you can just also add it from your drive, right? So it's very easy to do to add audio. To add a video and audio too, you have to just go to the video section, and you can just add it from YouTube. So I'll just enter the link here and just press the enter icon, and you will able to see this. So basically this is it, and I'm just click on insert. So for to add a video, you can add it from YouTube, right? I'll just pause this, and this is how you can add. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.